friend of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be another browser. I already have it, so I can click on Home button right away and go into Settings. Now scroll down, select Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select the food apps and pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app. Tap on Chrome and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!